back to the channel, guys. Today we're doing something to Alex, which is hiding again, like always. Yeah, hiding. Yeah, creeping behind you. We're doing a tag delete and a spare tire delete. This is a spare tire delete plate on this JKUG 2013, right? So we got a little bit of work to do. We got to wire this new third brake light. We got to figure out how to run the wire from here all the way over here to get the license plate light to work. So, and then the instructions, man. I mean, did you look at them?
No.
No? They're great. That's our instructions, guys. So, what was that, Supreme? Thanks, guys. Very detailed instructions. It's perfect, I'll tell you. Like, still don't tell me where the stock wire goes, because if you look, it's closed off. And all that I can tell is maybe it went here, maybe it went through here, but we're going to run it through here, back up to here, pull it out here to tie into this. You know, I noticed something. That's got a rubber grommet on it. So they must have unplugged it. And it did run through here. Right there. That explains a lot. But we don't want it that way because, honestly, we don't want to see wires, which, hopefully, this will probably be the last time you see this Jeep on the channel. Not because we're not going to work on Alex's stuff anymore, but we have other things coming. But I don't think running the wire that way would look good. What do you think? Well, that's not how we do things. So.
No, that don't look right.
That's like we run it up.
Probably pull that grommet off and throw it on there.
Well, there's
off that wire if we can.
something nice is they did send the
oh, they got the okay, yeah.
Here and here. So I mean, and that one's closed. That one's not even open. So
yeah, we'll
Supreme, whatever the name of this company is. Guys, we love you. Thank you. We appreciate it. You just made my night a living nightmare, but it'll be okay because we'll get it done.
Yep.
We always do. And then we got some door handle, the indentions on the JKU. Alex has got some more inserts to go in them.
Yeah.
We're currently painting them.
I'll add some shots of that.
Yeah. We're currently painting them right now. And then we got the tag delete here. That's going to go here. So it's just last little touches before tomorrow. And we may add that. If everything goes good tomorrow, we may add that into this video.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Like, I went from this to this. So.
Yeah, man.
Counter. James had a good idea. By the way, we got James and his girlfriend Hannah here. We got KPZ over there cooking. Acting like she's cooking.
We got some
Remy and Sam
folks up there. Yeah.
Tristan, the Wicked Stoner Panda, he's back today. He's up there with his girlfriend, so we got a house full, bro.
Yeah, man.
You ready to get the stuff done?
Yeah, man.
Let's do it. We'll be back in a sec. we got so far. All that's in. Got all this put back. I just tied in the brake line, the brake wire to the third brake light. And the only issue we're running into, and we're guessing it's because of this Jeep, but it says something about the tag light, but the tag light's way over here. So now we're having to relocate this wire from here in this panel all the way over here. But there's the tag delete. Well, there's the tag delete. And the spare tire delete working like it's supposed to. It's really weird because there is a if you go with this kit, it came off of Amazon. Oh, my finger's in the way. There is a high and low, so this is like a running light, just like this. So see, there's your brake, and then it's just a regular running light. So it's actually kind of cool that it works that way. But man, we got this thing all cleaned up, looking good. Now on to them door handles. The issues are working along. Jacob had to go to work, so I'm doing this by myself. Now tomorrow, you may, tell you what guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. There may be another little excerpt at the end, so just keep looking. Remember, like, subscribe, share, turn your post notifications on, tell people about us, share our videos, guys. Don't forget, excuse me, all my S550 guys, we do have the H-pipe and the stock wing giveaway. Subscribe. Get to your friends to subscribe. Photo, screenshot that. Put it over on our Instagram page. Jacob will drop it down below in the description. But for now, guys, we got more work to do. We'll holler at you later. And remember, dream big.